The last time, Ben, you were on Trace Talks, um, I think I asked you a pie in the sky question about AI, and you wanted AI to fold your laundry and a couple of other things. And that's what everyone's working on
Huh.
now, and it's coming to fruition. Do you have any other pie in the sky asks or wants for AI?
I still have really the same ones. Like, I want it to offload the minutia so I can have a clear mind to focus on things that really matter to me. And I don't think anyone else who's human would really disagree with that. I want more time to play guitar and have family time and certain things like that. I want time and freedom to explore new technology and research things myself, or generate content that's meaningful to other people. You know, like this podcast that's helpful, and we're all on that search for meaning, right, in life, and sometimes it just feels like all the stupid details are in the way of that. And that's really where agentic AI should be helping us, and that's why it's such a hot topic right now, because it feels like we can grab it. But it's still only the expert users who've stayed with it up to this point who can really put it, like leverage it that deeply. And there's still a lot of danger involved. So,
Very true words.
yeah.